Today we are going to see how to make the payment of self-assessment tax on new income tax portal. Okay, if you are a salaried person, this case arises only when the deduction of your TDS by your employer is made at a lesser amount than which should have been deducted, or in case where you have any additional income apart from your salary income. So let's see how to make the self-assessment tax ka payment. So friends, we are on the .gov.in portal. This is the home page of income tax portal, and we'll go into e-pay tax. Okay. Now, if you are going to pay through Kotak Mahindra Bank or Federal Bank, then you have to fill these details. Else, click here. Tax non-TDS challan number 280. Proceed. Income tax other than companies 0021. You have to select. Then 300 self-assessment tax. Then net banking, whichever bank you're going to pay through. Okay, then put your PAN number, assessment year which is applicable 22-23, put your address in detail. Right now, just for demo purpose, I have put this address to show you. Select the state, PIN code as well, that is mandatory. Email ID and mobile number is not mandatory, that's why I am going directly to CAPTCHA. Put the CAPTCHA, proceed. Now this is a confirmation page, okay? Tax applicable is 0021, tax of type of payment is 300, your name, PAN number and financial year. Please check it properly. Once you log in into your net banking for payment of taxes, you may put total amount of taxes into basic row. I mean, no need to bifurcate into education cess or interest portion or any other penalty and all. So you can put the total amount into basic section and you may proceed further. That is sufficient. Thanks for watching this video.